Good morning, students. Today we will discuss 11.4 exercise in this part. In previous part, I taught you 11.1 exercise, 11.2 exercise, 11.3 exercise. In this video, I will tell 11.4 exercise. 11.4 first question. A garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around it. Find the area of the path, also find the area of the garden in hectare. Okay? First question, a garden. Garden is given in rectangular. Okay? A garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter. 90 meter. Okay. It is 75 meter. Build outside 5 meter. This 5 meter. This 5 meter. It is 5 meter. It is 5 meter. Okay. Five meter, 5 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter. Okay. 90 meter. 5 here, 5 here. Means total length is 100 meter. Clear? Here 75 plus 10, 85 meter. Okay? Any problem? This length 90 meter, this length 75 meter. Why we have written here 85 meter? Because here is 5 meter, here is 5 meter and here is also 5 meter. That's why 5, 5, 10, 75 plus 10 equal to 85. Okay? 90. It is also 5 meter, it is also 5 meter. 90 plus 10 equal to 100 meter. Okay? Means rectangle ABCD and it is PQRS. Means in rectangle ABCD, length equal to 100, breadth equal to 85. In rectangle PQRS, length equal to 90 meter, breadth equal to 75 meter. Okay? Now we will write, let ABCD, not ABCD, first here we will take PQRS. Let PQRS is a rectangle. Okay? Rectangular garden. So their length is PQ equal to 90 meter and QR equal to 75 meter. Means in PQRS length PQ equal to 90 क्यू आर इक्वल टू 75 मीटर. ओके, तो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल PQRS equal to L into B. Right? We know that area of rectangle L into B means PQ into QR. Okay? PQ means 90 means 75 meter. 90 into 75, 9 5 are 45, 9 7 are 63, 63 plus 4 meter square, 6,750 meters square. Okay, then after that we will find area of rectangle ABCD. In rectangle ABCD. Okay, in rectangle ABCD. AB equal to 2 into PQ plus 2 into 5 plus PQ means 2 5 are 10 plus 90 equal to 100. It is the length of AB. The opposite sides are equal, means it is also 100. 85, it is also 85. It is also 85. Okay. Then length of BC 2 into 5 plus Q 10 plus 85 meter. Clear? Then area rectangle ABCD equal to L into B. L into B means AB into BC. Clear? Means 100 meter into 85 meter equal to what? 8500 meter square. Means first of all we will find area of rectangle PQRS. Here PQRS means L into B, PQ into QR means 90 into 75 equal to 6750 meters. In rectangle ABCD, because we have made this part. Okay, 5 meter 5 meter. First of all we will find length and breadth of this rectangle ABCD. So AB equal to 2 into 5, 5 meter here, 5 meter here. That's why we have written 2 into 5 plus this length PQ. 2 into 5 10 plus 90 equal to 100 meter. BC 2 into 5 plus QR and 10 plus 75 85 meter. The area of rectangle ABCD means L into B, L into AB into BC 100 into 85 equal to 8500 meters. Clear? Then area part equal to area of rectangle ABCD minus area of rectangle PQRS. Clear? The ABCD means 35. PQRS means 6750 0 5 7 means area पर 1750. तो area पर 1750 meter square. Clear? But there is asking also find the area of the garden in hectare. Means area of the garden PQRS. It is a garden. This area is 6750. We will write it. Clear? Area of garden PQRS in hectare. Okay? In hectare. Area of garden PQRS in hectare. तो 6750 meter square divided by 10,000. 0 pencil. Okay, 0.675 hectare. Okay, student. Once again, I am telling you. Question is the garden is 90 meter length and 75 meter breadth. It is 90 meter, it is 75 meter. Okay. Build outside 5 meter width. It is 5 meter width of path. Okay. Then we are getting one more rectangle ABCD. Okay. Then we will find this rectangle length and breadth. Okay. So first of all we will find PQRS area. Area rectangle PQRS L into B. PQ into QR is 90 into 75 equal to 6750 meters. Clear? Here is in rectangle ABCD. AB equal to 100, BC equal to 85. Area rectangle ABCD L into B. AB into BC means 3500 meter square. Area of path difference between this rectangle and this rectangle. Then we will get 1750. There is asking also find area of garden in hectare. The area of garden PQRS in hectare divided by 10,000 meter square. Then we will get in hectare that area. Okay, note down. Question number 2 you can do. 3 also you can do. Like question number 1. Question number 4 I am telling you. A veranda of width 2.25 meter is constructed all along outside a room, which is 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. To find the area of the veranda, and second is the cost of cementing the floor of the veranda at the rate 200 rupees per meter square. So first of all, we will make figure. It is a rectangular veranda. Okay, rectangular veranda. This length and breadth, it is 5.5. It is 4. Okay. Width 2.25 meter is constructed along outside. Outside means here. 2.25, 2. Okay. Clear? ABC, PQRS. Clear? It is 5.5, it is 4. Clear? So first of all we will find area veranda ABCD. Now we will write let the ABCD. Area is a veranda. Okay, veranda. ABCD is a room. This length and breadth is given. When we are making 2.25, 2.25 constructing outside, all along outside the room, so we are getting one more rectangle. Okay, then here length and breadth is not given, so we will find. Okay, first of all we will find area of the room ABCD. Okay, ABCD. Area of the room ABCD means L into B. Clear? This length and breadth AB into BC. AB means 5.5. BC means 4. So 5 into 0.5 into 4 means 4 5 20. 22 meter square. Clear? In new room, which PQRS length means PQ equal to 2 into 2.25 plus 5 plus 5.5 means 2 into 2.25 means 4.50 plus 5.50 equal to 10 meter. Clear? Length of QR 2 into 2.25 plus what? BC 4. So 4.50 plus 4 equal to 8.5 meter. Clear? It is the new room length and breadth. Okay, it is the length and breadth of new room. So their area PQRS equal to L into B. L into B means PQ into QR means 10 meter into 8.5 meter means 85 meters. Clear? It is the area of new room PQRS. Area room ABCD equal to 22. The area of veranda is asking. So area, first question is asking area of veranda. Area of veranda equal to area of ABCD minus area of PQRS. Okay, the area of veranda ABCD means area of PQRS. Firstly, we will take PQRS and here ABC. Okay, 85 meter square minus 22 meter square equal to 63. Means area of veranda 63 meters. Again I am telling you, one question is given: a veranda with 2.25 meter is constructed all along outside a room which is 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. It is a room ABCD. Length is 5.5 meter, breadth is 4 meter. Okay, along outside 2.25 meter, one veranda. Then we are getting new rectangle PQRS, but this length and breadth is not given. Okay, so first of all we will find area of this room. Area of this room means ABCD. So how much? 22 meter. Okay, 22 meter. Then area in PQRS. PQ equal to 10 meter. QR equal to 8.5 meter. Okay, so area, so length of PQ equal to 10 meter, length of QR equal to 8.5 meter. Okay, then area of PQR, so area of PQR is L into B, PQ into QR, 10 meter into 8.5 meter means 85. Okay, then area of veranda, area of PQRS minus area of ABCD means area of new rectangle minus area of old room. Then we are getting 63 meter square. It is a first part of answer. Second part, cost of 1 meter cost of cementing the floor. 1 meter square cementing the floor equal to 200 rupees per meter square. So therefore cost of 63 meter square cementing the floor, 63 into 200, 2 3 6, 12 rupees. Okay, means cost of 1 meter cementing the floor 200 rupees. The cost of 63 meter cementing the floor 63 into 200 equal to 12,600 rupees. Okay, note down this. Question number 5. A path 1 meter wide is built along the border and inside a square. A square garden. One square garden is given. Okay? One square garden. This length is 30 meter. Okay? PQRS. 30 meter inside 1 meter. 1 meter. Here is also 1 meter. Here is also 1 meter. Here is also 1 meter. Then we are getting one more square. Clear? ABCD. Clear? A square garden. PQRS, this length is 30 meter. Means all side is 30 meter. It is also 30 meter. It is also. Why? Because we know that a square is a closed figure having 4 sides. All sides are equal. Okay? 1 meter inside. Inside means we will subtract. Then we will get a side of CD, BC, AB. So we will write let PQRS is a square. ओके, तो एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर PQRS equal to side into side means 30 meter into 30 meter. So 3 3 is 9, 900 meter square. Is it clear? So find the length of AB in rectangle, sorry, in square ABCD. Length of AB equal to 2 into 1 minus, sorry, PQ minus 2 into 1. Okay, PQ AB equal to 2 in PQ minus 2 into 1 means 30 minus 2 equal to 28 meter means it is 28, it is also 28, it is also 28, it is also 28. Clear? So area of square ABCD equal to side into side means 28 into 28. Clear? 28 into 28 means we will multiply 28 into 28, 8 is just 64. Seven, 8, 4 meter square. Okay? 784 meter square means first square PQRS area 900 meter square, area of ABCD 784. See, in area ABCD side is not given. The first half we will solve value of AB. The value of AB if we are finding equal to this length minus this into this. So 2 into 1, PQ minus 2 into 1 means 30 minus 2 equal to 28 meter. Clear? Then asking first area of the path. Area of the path equal to area of square. Area of square PQRS minus area of square ABC. Clear? PQRS means 900 minus 784. Clear? Equal to 6, 1, 1. The area of the path 116 meter square. Area of the path, area of PQRS minus area of square ABCD 900 meter square minus 784 equal to 116 meter square. Note down this. Second part is asking second part, area, the cost of planting grass in the remaining portion of the garden at the rate of 40 per meter square. Note down the cost of planting grass in the remaining portion of the garden at the rate of 40 per meter square. Cost of planting grass in 1 meter square equal to how much? 40 rupees. Clear? 40 rupees equal to 40 rupees. The cost of planting grass. Remaining part means ABCD. Clear? It is a remaining part of square. Means in ABCD equal to 40 into area how much? 784. Clear? So we will multiply 60 31,360 rupees. Clear? Once again I am telling you, let PQRS is a square. Okay? Area PQRS, side into side, side into side, because area of square side into side, 900 meter square. In square ABCD, AB equal to PQ minus 2 into 1. There is 30 minus 2, 28. The area of ABCD side into side, 28 into 28 equal to 764 meter square. The area of the path equal to area of PQRS minus area of ABCD. Then we are getting 116 meter square. It is the area. Okay. So second question, the cost of planting grass in the remaining part equal to 40 rupees per meter square. The cost of planting grass remaining area means ABCD, okay, equal to 784, because this area is 784. 40 into 784 equal to 31,360 rupees. Okay student, so it is a last exercise. I think you understand very nice. Then you note down in the copy all the question and solve it. Okay, thank you student.